So in a recent video, we were working on my uncle's red oak and resin coffee table, and this piece right here is a cutoff from the end of that slab. So like I said, this is red oak, and what I want to do is make kind of a shallow dish to match the table. It's a decent sized piece. It's not very thick though, so it'll be a really shallow dish. And then we've got this little chainsaw mark here and some cracks here, so we're going to try and figure out the best area of this to use, and then we might have to do some resin. If we do, it'll probably be the same color as the table. So we'll go ahead and get this figured out and start cutting. So I think we'll use this portion, and I have this bowl that's about the size we need that kind of gets all the gets rid of this chainsaw mark. So we'll go ahead and just trace this out. And yeah, we'll probably fill this with resin, and I think there's some little imperfections on the back here too, some cracks and stuff. So we'll probably have to fill all these cracks. I'm not sure if they're connected or not, but we'll get this cut out on the bandsaw and then figure out what to do with these. Alright, so we've got this molded up. It's not the prettiest thing, but it should hold. So I went ahead and mixed up some Alumilite Deep Pour. This will take a while to cure, but it'll get down into all those little cracks. And I've just put some black mica powder, the same stuff we used for the table. So we'll go ahead and pour that in. Alright, so fairly minimal sanding on this one, just took it down to 1000. There wasn't really that much to sand. I just recently switched to a CBN grinding wheel to sharpen my gouges, and you can really tell the difference in the grind you get. Just the cut it makes is really smooth. So like I said, minimal sanding on that. Now we're gonna go ahead and finish this with the Mylan's sanding sealer.